Yeah, yeah, yeah. Carried all the weight on my shoulder. Had me going ever once I told you no. Told you no. Kept going like a marching soldier. Play my part, boy, I had to hold you down. Hold it down. When the tide of waves.
Hey you guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here today for another weekly reset. You guys already know the deal. I use Saturdays when my husband is home to kind of reset the week, do some meal prepping, cleaning, resetting the entire week. I've been getting into a lot of different habits for 2022. Like I went back to meal prepping, I signed up for the gym, I signed up for therapy, I booked a vacation. I'm all about mental health this year. I spent all of 2022 and 2020, actually 2020 through 2022, just not in a good mental state. So I'm really trying to get my body and my mind right. And one of the things that I'm doing is obviously trying to get my body right from the inside as well. And that includes keeping your gut healthy. So thank you to Bellway for sponsoring today's video. They sent me their fiber and fruit supplement, which I've been taking every single morning. I did cut off my face here because this was morning time and that's when I take it and I look crazy. But yeah, gut health is so important, you guys. It affects your digestive system, your weight, your immune system, your heart, brain, skin, nails, everything. And I'm trying to grow out my postpartum hair, so I definitely need all that stuff. But it's a supplement that takes care of your gut, so it helps you maintain your weight, reduces bloating, all that stuff, but it doesn't have you running to the bathroom. So they use specific ingredients that nourishes your gut, but it keeps you regular without making you run to the bathroom. So it's just perfect because nobody wants to be running to the bathroom. Bellway is also all organic, all natural, vegan, keto, paleo friendly, and gluten free. So if you're any of that, this is the right supplement for you. If you're looking for a fiber and fruit supplement, or they even have fiber and greens. They have a ton of different options you can see on their website. And the one that I chose, specifically the fruit one, so yummy. It tastes like basically a lemonade. It's flavored with real fruit. So definitely check that out. They were kind enough to give me a 25% off coupon for you guys on your first order. So I will leave all that information in the description box. But thank you again to Bellway for sponsoring today's video. Now, you guys, one of the things that I pride myself in today's video is finding new songs. So as I clean the kitchen and get it all tidy before I start meal prepping, I'm going to play one of my favorite songs that I found. It's starting right now, so I'm going to just let this song play, enjoy it, get things done, and let's get it done together.
My heart was in chains, but now I'm free. Yeah, I am only focusing on me. Love isn't something that I need. I'm sorry if I'm making you feel like I'm leading you on, but honey, I really don't need someone by my side. But we could have some fun, baby. Let's go, nothing serious, baby. Not how we could have some fun, baby. Let's go. You are watching me, but please do not bother to come up here. I'm just dancing with my girls, yeah. We wanna drink and have some fun. The music is loud, the night is young. We wanna dance until the sun goes up. But we could have some fun, baby. Let's go, nothing serious, baby. Not how we could have some fun, baby. Let's go. So We could have some fun, baby, let's go. But I'll be bright and so I don't need a man. I'll be bright and so life for life, so life for life, so life for life. I'll be bright and so I don't need a man. I'll be bright and so life for life, so life for life, so life for life, so life for life.
All right, you guys, so I hope you enjoy that song. I love it. I made sure to put that little disclaimer in there. I'm still happily married, but you know, we can sing heartbreak songs without actually being heartbroken. You know, maybe we could refer to our past while we're singing it or something. At least I can. But yeah, I also love this song, so I'm gonna let it play a little bit. But I'm just, again, getting the kitchen all sparkly clean. I do a deep clean of my kitchen only once a week. Throughout the week, I'm just surviving basically, so I'm just gonna do that, and then I'm gonna start meal prepping. I do have some of my own recipes to share with you guys today, and a Pinterest recipe that I've been using for months on end, probably over a year now, so stay tuned for that because it's so yummy, and I'm excited to share them with you guys.
It's over, so run away. I'm not trying to hurt you, but I will if I have to. I'ma tell you what I do. Run away. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a viper, one bite to dead. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a viper, one bite you dead. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. What can I do? Gotta keep every heart safe, so we make it out alive. I don't wanna waste no time. Oh yeah. Try to play nice so I won't give you heartache. Trust me, baby, when I say, girl, you better walk away. Oh yeah.
Alright, so this week I'm making 2 meals. This is one of the weeks that I cooked for the entire week, and I'm sharing with you guys my sweet and spicy chicken legs. I'll leave the recipe on the screen. I love this with a coconut rice or white rice or vegetable rice, whatever. They are so delicious. The recipe is for 6 chicken legs, but here I did 12, so I just doubled that. I'll also leave I post all these recipes on Instagram, and then I put them on a highlight, so I'll leave the link to my highlight there. Just click through it and find the sweet and spicy chicken legs. But the main ingredients that make it sweet and spicy is the brown sugar and the cayenne pepper, and it's so good. I never thought to try like sugar with my chicken, but once I did, I fell in love. And then I'm making it with a coconut rice. So the coconut rice is really easy. The recipe that I kind of conjured up was so for 2 cups of rice, you would do, so this is my measurements for rice. You might have different measurements for rice, but I use jasmine rice, and for me, 2 cups of rice, 3.5 cups of water. So what I do is I replace that half cup and I put coconut milk instead, and it is so good. It gives the perfect hint of coconut, not overwhelming, but it's perfect to complement the sweet and spicy chicken legs. So that's what I paired it with on this day, and it was so yummy. I even had leftovers. I brought it over to my in-laws, and they said they liked it. My husband loves it. So yeah, I again doubled that recipe. I actually did 4 cups of rice, so then I did 6 cups of water and then a whole cup of coconut milk. And then again, you're also adding your salt, however much salt you add, and then you're gonna top it off with some green onion, and it's super delicious. So if you're gonna try anything from this video, try this.
Why do I need to be good all the time? Yeah, it gets when I'm in a bad mood. Then he knows how to make it alright. Yeah, I get that you got a history, but I don't wanna think about no other than us. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, nah, nah.
And again, meal prepping is a multitasking type of sport. So as that was cooking, I went ahead to make my second meal, and this is a Pinterest recipe. It's I think it's called butternut squash pasta with sausage or something like that. But it's super easy, very simple ingredients like cream, Parmesan, almost like an Alfredo. So I went ahead and put the bow tie pasta to boil. And then I'm going to, so it requires you to take the sausage out of the casing so you can crumble it up. So I'm going to head and do that. And then the only other ingredients, apart from like seasonings and stuff, are spinach and butternut squash. Now the first time, second time, third time I tried this recipe, I did use like actual butternut squash, but this time I thought I would use frozen butternut squash because I've used frozen vegetables before and it's fine. So I was like, okay, butternut squash comes frozen, let me make my life easier. It was disgusting. It was soggy and it was just not good. So if you are going to try the butternut squash part of this recipe, I ended up taking it out of this recipe once like I microwaved according to the instructions and I seen how soggy it was. I was like, I am not putting this in this. So I just made it a spinach and sausage pasta basically. But if you are going to use the butternut squash in the recipe, I'll leave it down linked below. It's a Pinterest recipe again. Do not use frozen. That is my suggestion. Do not use frozen. But basically, you're just cooking up your sausage. Then you're going to take it out of the pan. In that same pan, you're going to add some garlic, your cream, your Parmesan, all your seasonings. It doesn't call for Italian seasoning, but I always add it. I kind of just do my own swing on recipes a lot of the time. And yeah, once you create your sauce, then you combine everything and it's super, super yummy, you guys. I shared this with you guys before a while back, about a year ago. And everybody who tried it literally came back to leave comments and said, oh my gosh, it was amazing. So definitely try this recipe, you guys. Honestly, try both recipes. Like both of them are so good. On this week, we ate really, really good. My husband was happy. I was happy. And it was just a good week in terms of meals because both of these were so, so yummy. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and finish this up and then I'm going to clean dishes a little bit because I clean as I go. I know a lot of people are like, why would you clean a kitchen just to cook in it? But I cannot cook in a dirty kitchen. So I always clean and then while I'm cooking, I clean as I go so I don't get the kitchen dirty again. But yeah, and then I'm going to just plate everything and I'll catch up with you guys. But go ahead and leave a comment down below. And I've told you guys a million things that I'm doing different in 2023 to try to better myself mentally, physically. Go ahead and leave a comment down below and tell me one thing that you're doing differently in 2023.
I'm not gonna wake up, I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, keep it steady cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa, no, not yet, whoa, no, not yet, whoa, I'm not gonna wake up.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna play everything up, and that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got some motivation, whether it be cleaning or meal prepping or cooking or just to get up off of that couch. I know I need that sometimes. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure again to check out Bellway in my description for that coupon code if you're interested. And I'll see you guys in my next one. I am kicking off spring decorating very, very soon. I'm doing a makeover in my guest bedroom because you guys know I did the makeover last time during Christmas time. So now that all the Christmas stuff is gone, there's no more wreath on top of the bed, so I need something for there. I need some table lamps because I had the trees there. So we're doing like a little makeover over here, and then as well as getting the rest of the house ready for spring. I've already been shopping. I'm so excited to show you guys everything, and I'm excited to go back into decorating because after Christmas I take a little break and I do more cleaning videos, and then I start my decorating videos soon after. So if you're here for the decorating, as I know a lot of you guys are, don't worry, it's coming very soon. Make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss that. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one, God willing, as always.